Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, kind of random, kind of spontaneous. I'm gonna be doing like a hair care shower routine type of thing. So as you can see, like my hair is blonde, not naturally, as you can see from here. And like, so I usually like don't really do much for my hair, but like it got real damage before, so I'm starting to do like Olaplex treatments at home. This is the first time I'm gonna be doing it at home. I always get it when I go get my hair done, but don't do it at home. Oh, it smells good. This is confusing. It says put on for a minimum of 10 minutes, but my hairdresser said to leave it on like overnight, like sleep with it in and then wash my hair in the morning. So I'm gonna leave it on for an hour. That's what we're gonna do. But I have to put it on like damp hair, so I'm gonna wet my hair and then put it in. But I'm not filming wetting my hair because I'll like drown myself somehow. Dunno. Okay, so it says towel dry. Boy. Okay. So it says towel dry hair. So now we take the Olaplex. This is just like basic Olaplex. I don't know if there's different kinds. This is the one my hairdresser gave me. So I'm just gonna like take that much at first. And I guess, oh fuck. This is creamy. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna put like this towel around my back while I sit with the Olaplex on my hair. And then I guess I'll check back with you guys when I'm gonna wash it out and show you what else I use for my hair. So okay, so after about an hour, I decided it was time to wash out the Olaplex. I noticed my hair was getting like kind of dry and like feeling kind of crunchy, so I was like, okay, like gotta go wash it out. So I got in the shower and I made sure to really go in and like rinse out the Olaplex very well so it wouldn't like stay in my hair and make it like greasy or anything. So I really like massaged my scalp and like really tried to get in there and rinse it out. And I really noticed even after one at-home treatment of only leaving it in for an hour, my hair felt so different. Even though I only got it done a week ago, it felt amazing. And I can't believe I wasn't doing this before. Um, but once the Olaplex is all rinsed out, I go in with my daily moisture hydration shampoo from Dove. And I only put that on my scalp to like the nape of my neck. And I really make sure that I massage my scalp and massage the hair follicles and the roots of my hair to really get in there and clean every single strand of hair because like I have a lot of hair. And I've also heard that if you massage your scalp really well, it helps with like hair growth and everything. So I'm all for that. And then obviously you wash out the shampoo. And then in between shampoo and conditioner, I go in with a hair mask. So I use the Garnier Fructis Damage Repair Mask. I really like these masks because it's like a 1-minute mask. And they're like vegan, 98% like naturally derived products and whatever. But I only put this on the ends of my hair, and I usually typically leave it in for a minute to 5 minutes, just like depending on the shower that day, depending on how I'm feeling that day, you know what I mean? So this is just me talking to my mom because I didn't know what to do for a minute while I left the mask in. And then when I rinse it out, I really make sure to really get it all out because again, I don't want things to be left in my hair and make it greasy because that can just not be fun. And then after the hair mask, obviously I go in with conditioner and I use a Dove Intensive Repair Conditioner for damaged hair, obviously.
and I just take a big glob of that, and I only put this on the ends as well, just because that is the most damaged part, and again, I don't want my hair to be greasy, so I only put this on the ends, and I really massage it into every single strand of hair on the ends of my hair. And typically when I like regularly shower, I will put the conditioner in and leave it and like do the rest of my shower routine, like wash my body, wash my face, shave, all that. But for the sake of the video, I just went in and rinsed it out like right after, just so it was easier to film and all that. But that's what I typically do. And once I feel the conditioner is all washed out, then I am done.
So now that I'm out of the shower and my hair is all washed and everything, I'm just going to take my like regular hairbrush. Don't know where it's from. It's not anything special. It's just like a basic hairbrush. And I'm going to brush my hair, but I make sure to start like from the ends up. So like you're not pulling too much on your hair when you brush it all the way through. My hair does get really, really tangled though, so it does take me a while to brush my hair sometimes. Kind of a fight. See? So, and once my hair is brushed, I don't really worry about like parting it perfectly now. I kind of do that when it's dry, so it has the more like poofy look. But then I take this Keratin oil spray. I mentioned this a couple times in my channel now, but it's hair care routine, so I'm mentioning it again. But I take this spray and just spray it kind of all over, like just so it gets on my hair evenly, really on the ends. And then I kind of just massage everywhere, just so it kind of gets in. Like I know it's a spray, but like I still want it to get in there. And then I just kind of like wait to go to sleep until it's like almost dry, and then once it's like basically dry, I go to sleep. And yeah, so that is my hair care routine for like bleached, damaged, colored hair, I guess. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, you know what to do, whatever. If you have any tips on what I should be doing, please leave them down below, because like I don't even really know what I'm doing.